breakfast time. Breakfast time. This is your first cereals. First cereals. You want to taste it? Here we go. Look. Here. Look at me. Look at me. No, no, no. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Is it good? Oh my goodness, look at that. You like it. You're not supposed to like it. Takeo likes it. I cannot. You don't pull the spoon. Yeah, you like it. Thank you, Mommy, for buying it. One more, one more. Wipe your mouth. Yum. Thank you, Mommy. Yum.